Hello people, my name is Nick Asa. You're welcome back to another video. If you're new here, stay tuned by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Shout out to my community. I love you all for your amazing support. Today's video is going to be simple and brief. We are going to be talking about one of the main accelerations of the sachet water business, which you don't want to miss. So sit tight and let's all learn together. You are welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to conduct a sachet water treatment the right way. In sachet water production, there are several processes that are carried out in order to come out with a finished product. So 2 or 3 storage tanks are needed for the whole treatment process to be complete. Thus, pure water or treated storage tank and the raw water storage tank. You could use 2 storage tanks for raw water and 1 storage tank for pure water, or 2 storage tanks for raw water and 2 storage tanks for pure water. All these arrangements will depend on the individual producer. Now make sure you have much available raw water to initiate the treatment of pure water, and make sure all air valves blocking the pipe holes are released. Now turn on the reverse osmosis system and wait for 30 seconds. So first press the feed button beneath the control panel surface, then wait for at least 60 seconds and press the pressure button to start the treatment. If you do not have any automatic stopper device connected to your setup, then you should be around to monitor the entire process from starting to finishing. This is cost saving. Why? When your raw water storage tank exceeds the finishing limit and you are not around, you are likely to damage the FRP tanks. So bringing this video to an end, my final advice to you is to apply grease where applicable to enable easy and efficient working of the machines. Also, apply engine oil to any part of the machine where there is a frictional motion. What do I mean? Where metal touches metal in a motion or in a moving process, to ensure smooth movement of your machine. Do not lock the sharper fold out of your machine to allow free pull of the fixed roll. Okay people, this is all I have for today. Stay tight for more amazing content by subscribing to the channel. Like this video and share. Leave a comment if you have one. I'm out.